Hello, this is Fernando, and today I will guide you step by step on how to connect this Argon device to the Wi-Fi. All right, so for this procedure, we will need, of course, the Argon device itself. We will also need the antenna for it, which is this one right here, as you can see right here. And we will also need the USB cord, which is this. This was all brought in the kit. So first of all, you want to download the app. The app is called Particle, as you can see there. So once you downloaded the app, that would be this is the main screen. This is the beginning of it. You get started. If you already have an account, you can type in your information. If you don't, you can click here and it says skip everything, and you can skip that. So once you get all your information in there, you're going to have access to everything. All right. So first thing is you will connect your Argon device, this one right here. Provide some power source to it. So here it is. I have my laptop, so I will be connecting it to my laptop. There it is. If the light it's blinking blue like the way it is on the screen, that is a good sign. That means it's ready to be set. So now you will connect the antenna. For the antenna, you have two ports. One you have for the Wi-Fi, the other one you have for the Bluetooth. You would want to connect it into the Wi-Fi. So connecting that right now. Might take a little bit of time because it's so small, you don't want to break it. It's fragile, so there it is. So as you can see, it's connected in there and the light's still blinking. That's a good sign. All right, now you want to set up your device through the app. So you go here, top right, you have a plus sign. You click on that and it's asking you set up new device. You set up the new device, which is the Argon, Boron, or Xenon. You click on that, and now it's asking you to scan the data. And the data matrix is this code that you have over there in front of it. So you scan that with your phone. It should automatically get it, see? It automatically read that, so that means it's good. You get, and I have attached the Wi-Fi antenna and see that device is blinking blue. You get that check mark right there. So now you use next. You click on next, and this is the whole procedure. Okay, so continue setup. I have already installed this, so that's why it's asking me all this, but I'm doing it from the beginning. So use in mesh network, and then create a network. All right, click next, next. And it's scanning for Wi-Fi networks to join. Okay, you click on the network that you're gonna be using. All right. And then, all right, so as you can see, it's connecting. Just give it a couple of seconds. There it is, it's connected. The way you can tell, it's because the light, it's blinking. You can see in slow motion is like light blue, so that's a good thing. That means it's connected, and you might want to create a device name for it. So in this case, I have mine. I just click next. A network name, you click whatever name you want. In this case, I'm gonna do it for my classroom. And a password, any password you would like for your network. Network, it's creating network. Just wait a couple of seconds, maybe 1 minute. And yep, there it is. That means it's connected. Click I'm done. And now it is, the way you can tell it's connected, it's because if you click on that, you have to go here on the tabs. You have events, functions, variables, and tinker. You click on tinker, and to make sure it works, you turn it on and off. There's an LED here, D7, and it should blink blue. There it is, off. See that? The light here was blinking, so that means it's connected. And that's it. This is how you connect your Argon to Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching.